Hi, I would like to introduce you to Taqadam for the data acquisition, engineering, and labeling for Lacuna Fund Agriculture FP. We log into our platform and select the tool to allow us to plan, estimate, and acquire high-resolution images from providers. For example, we will post the flower farm in the coordinates in the West Kenya to show the process. We see images are fetched from different providers, including low-resolution Sentinel-2 imagery, as well as through the integration with Maxar, Airbus, and Planet high-resolution sensors. You can also upload the AUI CSV file or shape files or GeoJSON file accessible to you as we do our previous research and narrow down the areas and exact or approximate location of desired farm structures based on the ground truth data collection. We're going to use surveys and knowledge rendered by our business association partners to have a better understanding of AUIs to acquire. We plan the acquisition with a good understanding of metadata and scan across sensors to understand the best coverage. We make sure that we have a low cloud cover and the best imagery to have our labeling and good understanding of the contextual information. Then in our wizard, for each crop and structures, we will set the parameters for the frequency and the time period matching the growing season and estimate the usage for such projects in megabytes as we collect imagery. Then we create a project with all our AUIs and process on the cloud the tilings, so make it accessible in XYZ format for the annotation and keep some metadata on timing and location, some additional parameters that would allow them to navigate and detect the crops and structures with multispectral band infrared as we go into a further identification and labeling. Our labelers are going to use our mobile application Taqadam on Android, and they are specifically trained on geospatial tagging, and we also plan to mix in some local expertise in understanding the crop structures and difference in horticulture crops and Kenya-specific crops. As we're going to start mapping structures such as greenhouse, biodigesters, and off-the-grid cold chain providers, critical in the anticipated expansion of cash crops in the northern corridor. We would record the polygons and calculate bounding boxes or both in order to provide the label data set for different types of machine learning models, including object detection and segmentation in the period. Thank you.